It seems like we're all looking for extra ways to make money these days. With inflation and prices going up, our living costs just get more and more expensive, but we aren't getting paid anymore. And so there are so many different ways that you can make additional monthly income, but I am convinced that YouTube is one of the best ways by far. In fact, over the past couple of months, I have managed to make over $2,000, and I also now have found a way to make an additional $1,500 every single month, so on a retainer basis, with the help of YouTube. So today, I'm going to walk you through the 6 different ways that you can make money on YouTube. And some of these ways are really passive, meaning you can make money literally while you sleep. Others are a bit more involved, but these 6 methods can really combined make you additional monthly income and even possibly help you become a full-time YouTuber as well, so you can make money by creating content that you are passionate about. So with that said, let's dive into the 6 ways you can make money on YouTube. So the first way that you can make money with YouTube is through YouTube AdSense. Now, YouTube AdSense is probably the most well-known way to get monetized on YouTube, and it's essentially where YouTube will pay you for the videos that you create. So how YouTube works is essentially YouTube has advertisers, so brands and businesses will try to promote their products through YouTube ads. And so from those YouTube ads, when YouTube gets to display their ads on your video, those advertisers will then pay you. Now, it's essential to know that you do require 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order to qualify for the YouTube Partnership Program and get paid through YouTube AdSense. And you need to reach at least 4,000 watch hours every single year to stay qualified. Now, the amount of money that you can get paid through YouTube AdSense varies greatly depending on your niche and the type of videos that you create. There are some niches that have a way higher CPM, so cost per million impressions, or RPM, which is your revenue per 1,000 views. So some niches can make a lot more money per 1,000 views that they get on a certain video. Niches such as personal finances and health niches can earn anywhere between $4 to $15 or sometimes even more. Gaming and general entertainment channels earn around $1 to $3 per 1,000 views. But that's just an estimate. It's not set in stone. So while YouTube AdSense is an excellent additional income stream because you get paid for the videos that you create, it's not going to make you rich anytime soon. Well, unless you start gaining millions of views for every single video that you create. So now I'm going to get into other income streams, which is a lot more profitable and it can make you a lot more money in the long run. So the second way that you can make money through YouTube is through affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing, if you don't know what that is, it's essentially where you get paid a commission for promoting a brand or a company's product. So what essentially happens, you may have likely already come across this on YouTube. It's when a creator promotes a product on their channel. So let's say, for example, I promote this phone and I review it and I give you all of the features and the specs and everything, and I say, okay, you can go and grab the phone if you want it by accessing the link in my description. And so if you then head over to that link and you make a purchase, then I get a small commission because I essentially help the company make a sale. Now, the thing with affiliate marketing is you can either get paid a lot of money or very little money, depending on what products you promote, as well as what program you're part of. So what I mean by this is, let's say, for example, that I try to promote, let's say, my headphones, and let's say the headphones cost $30. Now, I know with Amazon affiliate, they pay a very small amount of money for a sale. So I think they pay between $1 and $3 for many of their products. So let's say I then promote this $30 headset and I only get paid 3% commission. That's very little money for the amount of effort that I'm putting in. So unless I'm getting millions of views on that video and thousands of people are actually going to buy the product, I'm not going to make a lot of money. Whereas if I promote more expensive products, let's say, for example, my Canon camera, which is around $700, so 3% from $700 is a lot more. Plus, you can also get affiliate programs for certain softwares, which pay you a monthly recurring fee if you get people to sign up to the software. So that is where the big money comes in. So an example of this is, let's say, for example, you promote a product such as Descript, which is a video editing software, then that means you can get a monthly commission as long as the person stays subscribed on Descript and keeps on using the tool. Now, a pro tip when it comes to affiliate marketing is to really focus on promoting products that your audience can really benefit from. I've seen now that creators sometimes promote products that they do not use themselves or that they don't even believe in. And so the negative thing about that is you are going to lose trust with your audience. Rather, focus on promoting products that you know and that you love, because you don't want to end up promoting a product that's really crappy and that just makes your audience not believe in you anymore. The third way that you can make money with YouTube, and this is probably one of my favorite ways, and that is through selling your own digital products. Now, the reason why selling your own digital products is one of my favorite ways is that once you set up your digital product and you create it one time, you can continue to sell it over and over and over again. Plus, you can literally sell your product while you're sleeping. So you can continue to generate income no matter what you're busy with. So you don't have to constantly pitch your product. If you create a video and you mention that product, it can sell over and over because that video is going to continue to gain views over time. Now, how it essentially works is you need to create a digital product, either an ebook, a mini course, a template, anything like that, which is of a digital nature. And you can use a software such as Canva, or maybe even, just your camera or your phone to record a course and then upload it to a host. Now, I personally love using systeme.io, which is a very affordable host to put your digital products on, and then you can sell it through there. Now, digital products have massive income potential because you are literally in charge of pricing your product. And like I mentioned, you can sell it over and over again. So let's say, for example, I create an ebook that is priced $17. So if I manage to sell that ebook 100 times in the next 3 months, that means I'll get $1,700 from that one ebook, and it can continue to sell after the 3 months. So it can continue to bring in passive income again and again and again. Now, generally, low ticket digital products are priced anywhere from around $17 to $97. You can charge more or a bit less depending on what exactly you want to sell, but that is a good range to start out with. Now, if you're interested in selling your own digital products on your channel, then I do have a free YouTube business blueprint that you can download in the description, and it outlines the 5 steps that you need to take if you want to create your own product and start selling it with YouTube. These are the exact steps that I follow to create my own digital products that I am now selling through my YouTube channel, and it's helping me make monthly income. So grab it in the description if you want that. The fourth way that you can make money with YouTube is by selling your own services. Now, selling your own services is by far the fastest and the quickest way that you can actually make money with your channel. And you can also make a lot of money by selling your own services. So how this essentially works is you take something that you are very good at, so you're skilled at, and you sell that as a service. So think, for example, if you're great at personal training, so you are very fit, you are great at nutrition, you can offer that as a service to someone. Perhaps you're great at graphic design and you can design things for people. Maybe you're great at saving, and so you can help people save for their retirement. The sky really is the limit when it comes to offering services, and you just need to think about what skills you're good at and how you can offer that to someone else. Now, as I mentioned, this option has a very high income potential because you can realistically charge around $50 per hour or even more for your services, or you can charge a rate, like a project rate for your service. So for example, I offer YouTube strategy services to clients, and so I have a fixed fee that I can charge them. I can charge them anywhere from $500 to $1,000 or more per month to help them with their YouTube strategy. And so think of something that you're great at. Just keep in mind that while this is a very quick way to start making money, and it's a really reliable way because you can make monthly retaining income, it is less passive than, let's say, for example, digital products, because you're going to have to trade your time for money. So you're still going to have to offer this service and take your time to do it. But if you're looking for a way to make money really quickly and really reliably, this is a fantastic option. The fifth way that you can make money with your channel is through sponsorships or brand deals. So as your channel continues to grow, brands will start to recognize you and they will approach you to collaborate. Now, essentially how this works is brands will ask you to mention their product or their service in your actual video. And so whenever you mention it, they're going to pay you a fixed rate for that specific video. So let's say, for example, they pay you $300 to mention their product in your video. Now, sponsorship rates may vary a lot depending on the niche that you're in and the types of products that you're promoting for them. And so you can expect to earn around $100 to even $1,000 plus per product that you mention, depending on how big your channel is. So obviously, the smaller your channel is, the less a brand is going to be willing to pay you because your videos aren't showing to as many people. But as your channel continues to grow, you can start earning more and more money. I've seen some channels that have millions of subscribers who earn a really good income. I'm talking like $5,000 per brand mention in their videos, which is insane. Now, a pro tip for this, if this is really something that you want to do, you can even start pitching your channel to brands that you really want to work with. So if you have a brand in mind that you just think is ideal and you love using their product already, you can reach out to them via email and ask them if they want to collaborate with you, and you'd be more than happy to mention their product if they pay you a specific fee. The sixth way that you can make money with YouTube is through YouTube memberships. So as your channel grows and as you start to reach the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour mark, you will have the option to create paid memberships on your channel itself. So essentially what this means is you can have gated content, so gated videos that only your members can see. You can have communication in the membership, you can have exclusive content there, and those viewers who are part of your membership will then pay you a monthly fee. So this can be anywhere from $1 to $30 or more per month for these people to see that exclusive content. So your membership income will ultimately depend on how much your viewers are willing to pay to be part of your membership. And it will also depend on how many viewers you can get into the membership. So for example, if you have 100 members and each of them pays $5 to be part of your membership, that's $500 per month that you can be earning from it. Now, keep in mind that this works the best for creators that have a very loyal audience, and your viewers really need to like you and want to be a part of your world in order to do this. Now, earlier in this video, I talked about how you can start selling your own digital products. So remember to grab the free YouTube business blueprint down below if you want access to that. I literally go through the different software that I use to host my products. I talk about the types of digital products I think you should create first, and so on. So you can definitely grab it down below. Now, in order to actually start making money with your YouTube channel, you need the views first. So you need people who are actually viewing your videos before you can start making money with these different income streams. And so I created a video all about showing you how to gain thousands of views and watch hours with your videos right over here, and you can watch it next. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.